right, everybody, real quick, a short video, what I've been up to. So lately I've been working a lot on the carbon fiber parts. As you can see, I have a bunch of them over here, different kinds that I've been working on and that have been requested, and I finally decided I'm gonna start making some of them. I do have a bunch of these. These have been selling really good lately for the bumper insert on the Eclipse, as well as a couple of these. So this is when you get rid of your latch on the hood latch. That covers that hole and makes that whole area really nice. A lot of air duct intake covers, some interior pieces. I do have one request on the gas tank cap, the door. So I've been doing that. So yeah, what I've been doing is just buffing them and sanding them down and buffing them, making them look nice. Other than that, that's just been what I've been doing lately. I did have Eclipse prepared for the car show. The problem with that, I actually never went to car show, so something came out and I had to cancel it. So it's not gonna be no video on that. I kind of feel bad about it, but hey, it is what it is. I gotta keep going, and not much is happening with the Eclipse, GSX, nor the other one. They've been just sitting lately, and not much mechanical work on them as well. So I've been focusing on the carbon fiber pieces. So a couple of videos will come out regarding all this that I've been making, how to make it, and then how to the entire process of how to produce one of these. Other than that, that's pretty much it, what I wanted to show you guys. Just a little short update, what is going on. Not much, like I said, happening other than just me working on carbon fiber. I do have a couple of upgrades coming for the carbon fiber as well. I recently purchased this two-stage pump. That's been helping me a lot. I still have to figure out the most efficient way how to bag these things and do it on home. So I'm still working on that. Some things are coming up. That's pretty much it, guys. I really appreciate you guys checking me out. If you need some of these parts, just leave me a comment down below or hit me up on my social media, and yeah, I'll be more than happy to help you. It doesn't have to be an Eclipse, it can be pretty much any car. But anyway, really appreciate you guys checking it out. Of course, stay tuned for the next one, and make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Laters.